Hey guys, it's Steve. Excuse me. I still have my morning voice because I just woke up. And I walked to the convenience store next door. Well, that's adjacent to where I live. And yeah, I just noticed something. Not normally, but sometimes most of the time, I wake up around I don't know, the latest I've been waking up on average is it's like 10:30 or like 11, so I'm not doing too bad. But like I said, it's like 10ish, 10 a.m. here in Texas, and I just went and got my drink, and I'm still I'm half asleep still, so bear with me. But just check out the skies for a minute. I wasn't even planning on skywatching today. Wasn't even planning on doing a video at all today. That was not my plan. But just check it out. I can't find my sunglasses anywhere, and I have more than one pair. But just check it out though. Really, it's like I've never seen this many blatantly obvious chemtrails. The chemtrails. Do you know what I mean? It's like you can't even see the sun. The sun is blinding and bright as hell, but you can't even see it because of all the chemtrails. They're everywhere. They intersect everywhere. I don't know. It's crazy. I've seen chemtrails before in Texas, like here in Texas, but not to this extent. This is crazy. That's weird. I mean, why? I woke up today of all days, and it's like, I was out of ginger ale, so it's like, okay, I'm gonna go next door. I'm gonna go next door and get a sweet tea. I don't believe in coincidences. I was supposed to see this. I was supposed to vlog about it, so that's what I did. That's what I'm doing, and I just want you guys to. Seriously, just look above me. Look at the weird sun. It's like white. Didn't it used to be yellow? Yeah, I don't know. It's not yellow here, so is it yellow where you live? I don't know. But I'll let you guys get another look. Take a little long, hard peek there. I can do a 360, and yeah, full sky of chemtrails. But I don't know. I guess that's it. I just really whenever I see something odd, paranormal, that's unexplained, I document it. That's just how I am. That's what I do. That's what my channel's all about. But until next time, you guys, keep watching the skies.